What's up, everyone? It's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight, we're doing things a little differently. We're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of snackable, delicious TV time treats. That's right, guys. We're talking 5 easy recipes perfect for your next Netflix binge. Whether you're craving something savory, sweet, or in between, I've got you covered. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get cooking. First up, we're starting with a classic ham, cheese, and garlic mini breads. For this recipe, you'll need 1 loaf of Italian bread, a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, or a blend cheddar is my fave, a cup of diced ham, and 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice your bread into 1-inch thick slices, but don't cut all the way through. Mix together your cheese, ham, and garlic. Stuff that mixture generously between each slice of bread. Place your masterpiece in a baking dish, cover with foil, and bake for 15 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it. Ham, cheese, and garlic mini breads that are perfect for sharing, or not. Next up, we're spicing things up with some sticky honey soy chicken wings. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of chicken wings, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and a clove of garlic, minced. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together your soy sauce, honey, ketchup, brown sugar, and garlic. Add your chicken wings to the bowl and coat them in the sauce. Place the wings on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 35 minutes, flipping them halfway through. And there you have it. Sticky, sweet, and savory chicken wings, perfect for game day, movie night, or just a regular Tuesday. Chapter 3. Hot dog sliders, the ultimate crowd pleaser. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pack of hot dogs, 1 pack of slider buns, shredded cheddar cheese, and your favorite hot dog toppings. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice your hot dogs lengthwise, but not all the way through. Place your sliced hot dogs in your slider buns and top with a generous amount of shredded cheese. Pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool for a minute before adding your favorite toppings. And there you have it, hot dog sliders that are guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. Chapter 4. Mini deep dish pizzas. Personalize your pizza party. We're making mini deep dish pizzas because everyone deserves their own personal pizza party. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of refrigerated pizza dough, your favorite pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a muffin tin and press circles of pizza dough into each cup. Spread a spoonful of pizza sauce over each dough circle. Then sprinkle generously with shredded cheese and your toppings. Bake for 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Chapter 6. Cheesy sourdough bread bowl, a gooey delight. This cheesy sourdough bread bowl is a crowd pleaser and super easy to make. Here's what you'll need. 1 large sourdough bread loaf, 2 cups of grated cheese, any kind you like, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, half a cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the top off your sourdough loaf and hollow out the center to create a bowl. In a bowl, mix together your melted butter and minced garlic. Brush the inside of the bread bowl with the garlic butter mixture, then fill it with your grated cheese. Bake for 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it. A cheesy sourdough bread bowl that's perfect for a cozy brunch, a light lunch, or even a comforting snack. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy, cheesy, and incredibly delicious recipes perfect for your next TV night. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes and cooking adventures. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out!